Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stalker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the dmesg command. It's a command that displays the content of the kernel message buffer. In other words, messages that were sent by various system services, such as device drivers. You can view a lot of information that you would normally not see and get insights into how your system is working. Now, to see the content of the kernel message buffer, you can just type dmesg, but I'm going to pipe this to more so we can take a closer look at it. And here we see all these lines of output, and each one of them is starting with these zeros. And what this is the timestamp, but in seconds and nanoseconds since the system last rebooted. Now, if you want to see real times, you can use the -T, and as you'll see dates and times. And again, we see a lot of messages at the very beginning that all have the same date and time because a lot of messages are generated when a system boots. We can go through that. Eventually, the numbers will get a little bit, the dates will get a little later. Now, if you want to look at just kernel messages, you can use the -K, but I'm adding the T so we still see the time in normal format, and you'll see outputs such as this. And if we want to look at daemon messages, we can do that. And again, we see a series of messages, and these are from systemd. Now, to get an idea how much dmesg can show you, you should take a look at the help command. I'm piping that to more, so here's the beginning of it. You can see the very many options that are available to you, like that. So it's very handy. There's also, of course, a man page for dmesg. Now, there are a lot of ways that you can dig into dmesg output and gain insight into how your system is working. Figuring out what you want to see may take a little more time, but a command like this one will display just emergency messages, and if you get no output, it's because there were no emergency messages generated. Well, that's your Linux tip for the dmesg command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.